Oh, yes.
And how many license?
No, listen, stop. Don't ruin the moment. Don't ruin the moment.
What are you
Alright, go ahead. You're welling. Okay, go ahead. Okay.
This is gonna be really bad. Hold on.
I don't even know. Is that interpretive? Like, I don't know what that is.
It's my birthday dance.
You look a birthday fool.
Happy birthday,
That's gonna be the
me.
name of this rap.
I'm 20.
Here we go.
Alright, I'm ready,
Singing
Austin.
Ordinary People for the birthday of Brittany Harris. Just the chorus, y'all. Nothing else.
Thank you, Austin. I appreciate that.
We're just ordinary people. We don't know which way to go.
Get my dance.
Yes, we're ordinary people. We don't know which way to go. One more time. Yes, we're ordinary people. We don't know which way to go. Yes, we're ordinary people.
I wanted to bust her behind
We don't
real
know
quick.
which way to go.
Oh my God, you're done.
Get
Thank you,
that.
Austin.
Oh, Austin, that was so
And you know that
beautiful.
took everything in me to not say
Thank
anything
you.
else. Crackhead.
Bye, everybody. Thanks, Austin.